Previously, you learned here with me, how to design a full character, and preparing it for animation, in Adobe Illustrator, which is a part of my animation tutorial on my channel. So if you missed out, go back and check it out. And once you're all set, we can continue the rest of this tutorial, which is, rigging the character using Adobe Basil and Adobe After Effects, and animating the character in Adobe After Effects. And for this video we're gonna start rigging our character. Before starting, make sure you have your character file ready in AI format. Or, you can use mine, which you can download from the link in the description. Also, before starting this video, you must do this step, from this other video on my channel.
Sorry, that was awkward. And me whispering is even more awkward. But let's get started.
To start, right-click in the Projects window and choose Import File, then choose your character AI file you made earlier in this tutorial series. Make sure you have these options and click OK. Double-click here, to open your character components or layers, exactly as you organize them in Adobe Illustrator. It's recommended to change your composition to white, but you don't have to. The first step in rigging is adjusting the anchor point here. And to start, we're going to select the upper arm, then by clicking this icon here, we'll be able to actually move the anchor point. And we want that to be right in the joint point, where the upper arm will actually move. Let's do the same with the right side. Same with the head. Arms. Thighs. And feet. Then comes the part where we use Adobe Basil, and if you follow my channel, you'll know how we installed it previously. And if not, you can check that video in the description below. To start, we're going to focus on one part of the body, at a time. Using the I button here, turn off the visibility of all the parts you don't want to deal with now. Select all the arm parts, and come to Adobe Basil window and choose, Rigging. Then choose this robotic arm icon. Then, Arm.
How's this?
Don't panic, this is the rig that will allow us to animate the arm, and we're going to modify it, as Adobe Basil will do it automatically first of all, and usually it's not what we need. These here, are the rig joints. As you can see, you can freely relocate the rig joints, and arrange it to fit your arm. Also, notice these layers that were generated here now, we're going to use them later. To start, locate the main or first joint, in this case the shoulder. Then the others, one by one. Then, elbow joint. And finally, the wrist joint. And for this character, we don't need to focus on the fingers, we will place this joint in the hand. Now, we need to connect or bind the rig to the actual character arm, and to do so, go to your Layers panel, and drag this spiral icon from your character left hand, and drop it in the hand of the rig layer. In this way, you connected the hand of the rig to the hand of your character. Now, we do the same to the forearm, using the spiral icon, and once again for the arm. Then, select all of the rig layers, click this icon. Then this. And voila! Now your arm is alive. You can check that everything is in place, and make the needed adjustments. You'll notice your arm is not exactly joined, and it's stretching while you pull it. Don't worry, you can easily fix it using the effects control, and if you can't see it, turn it on from the window drop menu. Then expand stretch menu, and uncheck auto stretch. And, problem solved. We can check it with the whole body as well. He looks fine. And so, we can move to the other arm, and do the same to it. Select it all. Robotic arm. Arm. Adjust the joints, top to bottom. Connect my character arm parts with this new rig. Select the rig layers. Select this. Then auto rig and IK. Now, this arm should move to the opposite side. So, let's fix it. Go to Effects Control of your rig, then check Reverse. And, you're good. Now, the same process for the leg. Choose all the leg parts. Then, robotic arm. This time, choose the leg instead of the arm option. Connect the rig parts to your character leg parts, as you did with the arms. Select all the leg rig layers. Then, this. Then, auto rig and IK, and your leg should be good. See? I told you. I know totally what I am doing.
NANI?!
Let's put that back in. We are going to fix the feet weird position in the next video, so really, don't worry. As you can see, you need to fix the stretching again. Go to Effect Controls, then Stretch, then uncheck Auto Stretch. Move to next leg and do the same. Now, we need to join those limbs to the central body, and for that, we need to locate the limbs joints that connect to the body and connect them the same way of the arms and legs. For example, to join the arm at the shoulder point, select the arm, then using this menu, select the body layer. And now your arm is connected to the body. Repeat this process for all limbs. And, well done. You now officially have rigged your character and you can move him the way you want. That's it for this tutorial. Take a rest, you earned it. And, you'll need it. For our next tutorial, we'll be on animating this character and making it roll. If you like to have more tutorials on animations, support the channel by pressing the like button. And thanks for watching.